season. Coco season, no season.
Hey, banana, aquaba. No one but nothing, woman, first, I'm at Siano. First, yeah, Maso, next over. Yeah,
a Cromangas and I'm there. Now, but from our own 20 camera figure. What will be that? When it comes to fiance, I would not have your son. What's our own?
Occasion, remember about.
What did you do? Ni bebe wati akwa na ngo busa wasasa papa na nawe na nawe
busa wasasa o
afra bakasa
ama busa wasasa
e ngofo bi no ye dede wo ho a se waba
ni ba busa se koto
e na ya wo ye tina enkofo de ade na nyom no
o ba cho
enya sam ketwa
so du ho bi wo bo bonyu bia na afebete won wada
ali amina
sabaya ne wa hey benana
eni monyama wa shami wa sasi tu anya songetwa
ni beba hanya sam ni ba
ba sisi akra se de wo se me ba chinti no wo kwan no kra me nkai o ma sesa me jele me nkai
o se kam do beko
o de meko
on ya ko do beba na asumasi na I just over hansa. Yeah, menche. I'm a tone kind of some baba more quaba. Want to be a room more quaba.
Oh, because
I've seen him.
He knows I say. He knows I say.
Them they go to be.
I know what is
any problem.
Oh, money,
Money na nesi.
Oh, if you are dead muska, dead muska. After you for thousands, for thousands. Do I know Pastor Sare?
Offer said.
Oh, the one in Jai.
Offer said. No. Manisika.
We are living for that muska. That muska. Do you
I don't every day, no, that's a problem. I don't every day,
remember,
what happened? I know one who are only Yaman. Papa Mukoma, the higher guy,
nice day.
Oh, woman, so did you acquire maybe?
You were never one. I
say, Papa line.
Hey, a few years ago, for Mum, soon, Mammy, one year mutual, and when you mutual, one way. One person, so you can. It's going to be
more about how to use the English language, because I realize that the English language is the only language that you can use that can enable you cross the international barriers.
In the Obachela Brof Kasa, the Sunday we would there Brof Kasa ni Kasa say in your ma, but you took one Akoyasimu baby.
Yes. So that is exactly what we are going to do today.
Only Ada and the school Bushia.
Yes. So you should listen closely whilst I speak and whilst I teach you English language, okay?
Teacher Obia Manisado.
Yes.
Sir, right now, my team English and me papa, brofo me tipa, but sir, okasa ne katra masisi sunti, and my minti ayeni.
Oh,
no, me and no one can
Hey, Sito, without shit again. What I come to Mamma? What's it? Who can put on what's on the champion? I never could have what?
Let me have watching two seconds.
Face me, bro.
Madam,
the trouble.
was any format in Yankee Mark.
No, Mama.
Yeah.
On your guy. On your guy. Good dog.
Oh,
why is he no guy?
On your guy, no name of trouble line in my view. On your guy.
Oh, about them. Forget you about them.
Be Betty. Miss on your guy.
No. Oh, see, we need to come back with you.
I fear the papa part of a power in the attack.
Madam, the reason why these two women are fighting is that your class head, this man, the white hair man, he's eating the two of them at the same time.
Me, it's my husband, yo.
Prof, this man married this woman.
Long time.
Ache. And now, no, the Akolaketwano is eating this man, and this man is eating Akolaketwano. And this woman, this white hair man, married her long ago. And now this woman, I see her husband is eating that Akolaketwano, that itu baby. Shut up.
Sorry.
So that's the reason why they are fighting. So they deserve whatever you say.
If it happen, no, me my own say if it happen, cool. If it not happen, too cool.
Me call for new minimum they making.
Hello. No, mama, don't echo. No, no, maybe you are okay. Who is a power? Hey, now, what's the chromacy?
Oh, there remains madam.
Oh, a guy, pa.
Madam,
Miji, no, a guy.
I'm free Kumasi, but may your board will Kumasi be an best.
Oh, nice. That's
She's a nice person.
That's cool. That's cool. So,
but you when I'm sure anyone. Medical! Oh, how is that going to me? Some kind of.
Oh, of course. Why not? Of course. Oh, my father was happy. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, my daddy says I came to pay.
So how long have you been here?
Oh, for like a week now. I've been here for like a week.
And I miss me one minute picture the dada.
I said, me cry me want to say about say, and I'm happy. I was surprised when I saw you.
Where is the small girl you are talking about?
Hey, sorry.
You, come out. I hear this woman saying a two. What is a two?
A two means I can't explain. A two means botos. So this is talking when you say a tour, this is a tour.
A tour?
Yes, sir.
A two?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lay down. Lay down.
Go to the.
In my class, you don't fight. You are the girls prefect, and you are fighting in my classroom.
I'm sorry.
You come.
Bra.
Get down here.
Go to the.
You, my class captain. You are the cause of all these troubles, yes, because you.
Yes, sir.
I have watched you in this town. I see that you are a very, very, very bad boy. Come and kneel down here.
Come and kneel down here.
Go back. You see, you are the girls prefect. You should show leadership. You are the class prefect. Girls prefect. You are supposed to show leadership. So I'm going to ship you all. I'll ship you 10.
Yeah. Today now, yeah. What are you doing today?
Oh, nothing. I had me by me actually. I'll just.
Baba, what me?
Me sure. Yeah, I wanted to go tomorrow, but.
It's okay. More like can you stay like a bit more?
Of course I will.
Okay. So can I have your number?
Why not?
Okay. All right.
Friend me, why?
Merfro. Take care.
Big friend.
Merfro. Take care, yeah? Charlie, this here. Madu. Charlie, I guess they here. If I move, come there. She get back to you. Charlie, who them who's on tonight for you?
No, already so true.
Then I'm lake what side. I will call him tonight. No, I will link for link out.
Sir. Fadia kama me yere.
On fa dia kama. Mami mani wa ha. On fa dia kama. Ya jimi no. On fa dia kama me.
Fama chamber home.
What?
Chamber.
Prof. Papa, the man, keep quiet. The man is saying that the rest of his kin share to his wife's.
Okay.
Sir, me ba cho.
Anya yire ni mi o. Onwa le me onya me ho ade, nya ne yire ni me.
Anya, di one na twempena no, na obedi aba no. Anya me. Di me ni ebedi school. Wo na akwache aba ma ware ho.
Me.
Tell the master. One na aba ma ware ho.
Wa wo do mi bia no. Di odo mi bia no. Oni ye me dia ba ko ma.
Me.
Na me hu so bi do.
The man is saying that the two women, any of them which feels that deep love for him, should take the rest of the king.
Are we coming to talk about love here in this classroom? Or we are coming to learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H? Why this love matter in this classroom? Now you two bend down, let me flip you quickly.
Prof, this one can go.
Go and sit down.
Go and sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Prof.
Get down.
I never come.
Prof.
Hey. This can. Hey. Oh, sorry.
Prof.
Yes.
Nanka ye jim from. Na wa betina. Na de me kan say. Me pese wo be ko na maka. Usware matete wa mu anyini. Wote wa bobra. Wa ye Messi da, wa ye carpenter da. Messi wa de tan wa de na fu. E na nyame hira no no anya sika. Sika de ye nya bi. Mimi tibi ko dwom ni aka cha me se wukunu sika ye afa bi sie. Me se sika na champagne na mimi di. Mi di sia me de koto den. Wa hu. Na papa ni suba bi e wo mu no.
Oh, mommy, I did.
Enye. Kasa kire no. Said you would drain, Papa Pennywood, you would drain, Missy Maya, and Manketing, and Mancassia, a day. Watch now, no one would know that so. I know. So what, Jimmy, sir? I'm a Jimmy. And do we want to catch and belly? No, afraid, croquet about. Or I just want to open my want it. Want it. I could that way, you catch us what is open. As long as every year, open my open my open what is a good animal. Bowing, my good master. Who ban my good master? Mr. Uncle Sancho, sir, Amaka, sir, Papa, would you? Papa, I'm the
Papa, yes, I will send you.
Hey! And I said,
international my banner. You
can't push yourself.
And I have some hey, Monkey, a cabush.
Would you mean?
Hey, Monkey, what you do? Go get your bush and come back down. Monkey, but say, hey, sorry. Hey, what's it? Yeah, cabush has a Mr. Watcher. What's it? Yeah, cabush has some.
Would you mean?
You didn't come on.
Catch, sorry, a cabush has some.
You didn't come on. Network. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I'm the American. I'm a German chassis. My wow,
I wouldn't say more cookers and I met you.
Why you are?
says
it was a funny bit to be catching beside me.
That's how I was met you, you know. Anna,
oh, maybe I know, and just how do you know?
I'm the and to go to our create some when you're massive. It's a focus on my young part. You can't send Benham, sir. Hey, never question Ben. You can't tell me, or you could answer mine. What's up?
I'm not sure if you penny says I'm a friend one. The friend is so omra, no me come home. Now and no maybe a air coswa. My hey energy slipper, a bebo crino, or me boame, nienka. And they say, I just am to an here. I was your opinion on war. Dear see so cool them way. Hey, papa. Sabita fracture baby, what if you're dream? Now we take off our young bassy, and my neighbor pimping with your boat. Say, why you didn't be much idea, and you are no so soon any wasam, echo bass one or ten baby now buy. Let us send in every war. I didn't a penny, we are. Penny and collection was see one. Sasu buy near the little room. And tell you a penny, my friend was sampa.
Yo, mama. Santo. Penny. As someone I can sort in
Matipa,
teaching what I can say.
Teaching man say, MEDIKAL, and I'm fine.
Oh, why Jatu, my dear? What would do for the I know here for you? Just Santo.
Tell me. I'm saying, your penny will be become. I was a penny.
Oh, my, some when you Libya, when you say, and near more dear, Namoyem, Sukumo. Say about this year, a brofo dear, none just say, your biblium had the yet watching it. Ah, stop in prebiasa. I had then a china my pond for both on first from an alpha prior, or therefore to dream. Not a namu. Ababa we no here tititi omwani mpa nsade so bibia nya me yakra sa o yiri kra sa atia o therefore na so itu ye sa na ye uwre fi say UI wo hoi eye sekan enso ye fa ntwa bia ana kotokuro nso ye sekan na enso kotokuro hoi ye fa nyitire na panimu ati se wo udi UI e kwa kobu bia eye ma miura me kasa bibira nhwa na yale am nti finance for
Pia.
And Shamani,
Ababawa, Mesro, and ne, maybe I need the mount. Such a home. Now, Sabita fracture, Tetanoaki, as I friend. Bearman acquire ya, Kayasem. Nadia Bakwa, a year many who said, would you know Casse? One in a befame. What be cool now, but I want to aboard ya by your day. Santo. No, don't go anymore. We Christian, you want him.
Until one more, I lady may join. Until one Marcus and teacher. Or shoot before. No more, a future lesson said the man and my anyone knows Santo. What was a brother?
But I'm from here.
Now, walk away, I wouldn't say Santo. So, no about. Yantitu ofie abisa pampacho yantitu ofie wa hu panimu no kasa na wanya kwado nsa aso gifi wagimi me catch you say ni me kitina mka say kai ye ntwa na so no omu ade ehura so se santo no ana ya no obota
but on ebe pay me me tim babe
enti wo ti kurum ai onu mi say santo no le yere ma me
obo so de ni de jai o so mutifie so ma jai
Santo, I don't say, when you're penny beyond, can't cut. I think you penny for you. How come? So come. Now, should buy your old dignity yet.
Would you buy him for so Uncle Papa?
I'm what?
And she's a papa.
Well, you buy our idea more. The best penny for the crowd, crash about. Into the Santo, what's some now? Awesome, and yet as some papa. Now, then say, what you have to say. I
don't know what the album is.
Yes, something to be a cattle. Mamma, so
I have a sent to one source.
Mamma Carlos, a son to one. We shall sell some cow, 77 previous one, yes. And the cow dear several school Nkansah. Yeah, I was so a man who prefers as a name. It can so you say. Never cranaka, or did to my baby.
Cause no keep one, that's all Castle. There's so many. That's what they say. I was so over somebody to show. And yet, what's why you? One more here, my name, then when you got you by an opening.
Meaning it way, I said,
for any born.
Sir, I quite now, quite a man, I support.
Not for any born.
Dear me, can I say, if we are say, so do some uniform try in young.
Or Casso,
and just some to, Nedin and some you know, a from top. It is here be or no one is a young. Yeah, Timmy public, a force in young. And you know, over Pataway. And the old roof here, wa Pataway. Now, so, and I'm so good, Nana, who anymore, say, maybe a cannon and munti. Yabajo, millions here. Pio, Ujai, Bako, Snap Benu.
Johnson, yes, Johnson,
no Johnson,
Nana, what am I say?
No Johnson, more boys living.
Opani Santo said the mirror Wakasano. Or say, what from None addition, a did the name of what Tafri or Chia Anutino, as I saw one. You sent to work out the Bell one, your pipins here, pet.
Today we are going to form sentences with the alphabet. Okay?
Someone can want to say
the alphabet. So today we are going to start using the alphabet W for words.
So then the W but form sentences.
Yes. So I will start with Nana. With Nana.
No, you must hear.
W. So Nana, form one word with the letter W.
Apart from that, letter W no, faka sam, jina W no do, na faka word. But to my can be there. Welcome. It started with W. Welcome is W. Into W faka sim.
Or you can, for example, woman. Woman. Or start with W. With W. So, quickly.
Woman.
And a man you for man you for
so see there, what can I make?
For the blue cast, when you pay German, woman, I will say a woman.
Tell him to form a word with W.
Also for W, faka some. Yeah,
W. Wow.
Medical. Oh, Papa Hatching. And until I'm actually that be you were free me. But some know your more things. Oh, the way you are a fine guy, you need some real city babes. These village girls. Just the house behind there.
Wait.
It was quite beautiful. Some serious girls. A two. Here was the selling point. No four. Yeah. That's it. The crew have 4 years of Babylon be or Henry assembly man, no person say me be. It's all bad, I'll say.
Tell Nana that this one should be able to say it or else.
Nana, Osema, Uchame, you know, I am quite a good Uchimo, say one or nonka, say when to me down and our
WWW. Say Uchichema, wo.
Me,
Okay.
I'm more something.
Say WWW.
Who or
Teacher, Assemblyman, how do you quote him with ya?
Don't try Yaki. Okay, things as a go
I can say it.
Check something. Mommy. Check something. This is just the tip of the iceberg. I have more girls. Girls. So me, I'm to me so a guy. So there's me to me wants to link you up. More city babes. Yeah, we village girls. We more.
Kwame, Boga. Let's see.
W order.
Oh no, but I can say it.
Teacher, young flow. W. Why ask the best so? And then.
I can say it. W. With God, all things are possible.
Good, excellent.
All I need is insane.
Oh, that's only the
500 per lady.
Obi me see me di no mombo mami.
MDK.
Oh, forget it.
MDK.
Only problem.
MEDIKAL. AMG.
Only problem. Only problem.
Akwa mami nkwema here. Anything for the guests.
Oh, no, we are very saying, Mammy Conker and with the Mammy, some of the property can in a number.
W.
W Unam.
I'm so happy you guys decided to visit.
Oh, yeah, guys.
What do you say?
Oh,
Oh, but you guys are also fine, guys.
no problem.
Yeah. Who said? They are most fine, guys. Oko baby, I some fat girls are on par with my pedigree. And so I banned to be an old fan. To share. And I saw girls are training. How did you see them? How did you see them?
I think I'm very cry.
We is catching just some small money.
No problem.
Unsa.
No problem.
Because you want 1,005 sharp. I just called the girls for you.
Pay.
1,005 pay.
Oh.
500 for each girl.
Salif, me money bag no.
Now I know that for all this time that we started learning, you have actually acquired knowledge. But to acquire knowledge without simple, everyday cleanliness issues, then you have not learned anything. Because civilization mostly lies on how clean your environment should be. So today we are going to talk about what? Sanitation. Say it again. Sanitation. Say it again. Sanitation. So sanitation, especially Nana, now that you know what is all this, all what you're trying to do about in this small town, you know that we need to cleanse all our environments, desilt our gutters, cleaning the environment, and then dispose. We should know how to dispose of our rubbish. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It is very important for us to clean, to keep our environments what? Clean. To keep our environments what? Clean. Because there is this saying that goes that cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So that's the way it goes. Okay, Nana, you know you are the chief in this our small town. Yes. And what have you got to tell us about the effort you are trying to put, into making sure that our environment is clean?
We should put our rubbish. We should not put our rubbish into gutters.
But come on, Nana. We don't have to put our rubbish into what? Gutters. We have to know how to dispose of our rubbish. So we have to get our dustbins to put our rubbish in them.
Girls. Ebiabo! Or the 1,005 need to be.
More than 1,005. But every
men.
It's only what did you wait? We are more 1,005.
Men. One pound me from a parade. One more parade in soon. Selling point, more
Guess when you know.
Coco, nah. Eto. Yes. Say, one more pet. models. Efia.
Let me taste.
It's so pajana, not Taiwan.
Coming here.
Oh, then Pacho. Overbalance 1,000.
It's got a new problem. It's got a new problem.
No more sandwich on nice.
Let's talk about your own selves. How clean are you? Know that you wake up in the morning and you can't wash your mouth. You got your teeth. You can't even wash your panties. You should know how to sweep your compound.
And your room too.
And your room too. Thank you, class captain. Clap for class captain. Seriously speaking, this is a very serious topic.
Sanitation.
Sanitation again.
Sanitation.
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 Very good. Clap for yourselves. In fact, I'm so happy that for all this while I have taught you exactly what I planned to teach you, and I have achieved it. Clap for me. Do you remember my name?
No.
Yes. My name is Professor Emeritus Papalolo. As again, Professor Emeritus Papalolo. Very good. Clap for yourself.
Into money.
And then they must and then they'll find
Into my patio, make it a choice.
Medium said you did not make
Sweetie, do the
red and white. I'm saying.
Oh, mommy, model. And yeah, no. What time they say?
Watch me pay 2. Say
Sweetie. But there is this thing I have to tell you. Skawi Amuchi, he just 1 hour.
Oh, what does it? What the problem?
And I some of my girls netting.
Oh, I
we are nice.
I don't want to.
We are fine.
One thing I can.
It's not about say.
Yeah,
Matemon.
And now we need social media. Who would they call?
Papi.
The control.
The social media and Kwadwo. A man foot me. I walk on a shoe. Me who's can see? I see me who's me.
Hey, you. Where is she? You. The name again is it? Chirema. Sweet name. This morning, did you wash your mouth?
Yes, when I wake up in the morning, I wash my mouth and I wash my face.
And then you
and I iron my dress.
Lovely. Clap for you.
A question.
Class captain. Tell me one thing about sanitation.
Sanitation is about Zoom Lion.
Okay. Clap for him. Accepted. Yes. Zoom Lion. You. No, you. Tell me something about sanitation and cleanliness, environment, and everything. Hey, take it seriously. You are in a very serious class here.
Who is that? Stand up.
This group man.
Quickly now.
You have to keep yourself clean.
Thank you. Sit down. Hey. Who is that? You are sleeping. Come here.
Come
here. Why are you sleeping? Why?
Speak English.
So, what?
I can't lock my friend. So yesterday, so look jams. Giddy pa.
It's lying.
You have come to my classroom with Soloku sleep. Here.
My friend,
Oh.
What can want to? What's a good one?
Kwadwo all the way, John. Kwadwo big boys.
All big boys.
Come on, move.
All big boys.
Mulen. 29.
4 big boys. You are not big boys.
So wait. So back. Aha. Ongwano.
Hey, banana.
He's eating banana too.
This boy is
Go.
You don't sleep. You don't go to Soroku and come and sleep in my car.
Hey! Yesterday no more.
Don't sleep in my classroom. Don't sleep in my classroom. Don't sleep in my classroom.
Lilwin, Dog Nation. Who my niggas approach now? Dog Nation.
I get do me was sick from my pocket. People they wonder who be this. Go say chi, abo. Abo.